welcome back to another POV video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe because I love doing these type of videos. I always have a good time doing them, talking to the owners and all that, and just reliving that moment like I'm actually doing it, and it's just a lot of fun. But please like, comment, and subscribe. Liking actually does help me a lot more than you think, and subscribing helps, commenting helps, so that's why all the YouTubers always tell you do it. But if you haven't already, go check out my video where I actually did like a whole video on this. Like, there's music, there's like a little bit of vlog stuff in there, so make sure you check that out. And you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you when I see you. Alrighty guys, it's my turn. I'm still a little shaky. He took me for a ride just now and then stopped and said, all right, your turn. So I'm still shaking a little bit.
Powered certain
speeds. I did not need to be driving this, man. I'm gonna go home, blah, 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 blah. Girlfriend be like, can you please just shut up? I'm trying to make it happen on YouTube, man. Because we moved to Ohio, I'm just gonna be doing YouTube and photography, videography full time. And so hopefully that YouTube takes off and I can give me the ZL1 1LE.
Probably gonna want this in SS.
Yeah. But we had to dang, man, we got to see what happens. I just like how it's so, like, it's smooth, like, you know, in the scat packs and stuff, you touch it and it's like real. I mean, that's good too, when, you know, it's real torquey. Yeah. But this is real, like, just real smooth when you get on it. Oh man, I like that. That's my first time using that. Damn.
You can either go left or right, or you can go back.
Yeah, I'm gonna go straight.
Damn, that's loud on this side.
You wait, man. It's ridiculous.
Corner the number one, it'll turn a solid white when it's off.
Oh, that's good. I'll trade in the motorcycle to get this.
Yeah, you kind of feel like your legs coming off.
Oh my gosh. Actually, I was taking a nap with my daughter when you messaged me.
Yeah.
And I had a dream I was driving this.
Really?
Yeah, it was just like just now. Wow. I had a dream about everything today. I had Zaxby's. I had a dream I was eating Zaxby's. Well, I went into Zaxby's. I was like, no, I just had Zaxby's. I need to go somewhere else.
Well, here you go. The dream came true.
Yeah. Ooh. I just like how you could do that. Most of the challenges had that. Oh, I like that. That sound, man. Damn. Murcielago, that was a fun car, but
Murcielagos?
yeah.
You took down on some curves?
Well, I drove it a couple times. Alberto, I don't know if you know him, he let me drive his a couple times. The GT2 RS, that was fun. I didn't get to get on that one. That was a little scary. I didn't really want to mess with that too much. But that right there, you don't gotta actually, you actually gotta do all the heel toe and all that stuff.
Nope.
Well, not that I know how to heel toe anyways, but
I tried it, but I think my foot's too big. I think that's for certain people with
yeah,
size 10 or smaller.
you gotta have like the right shoe on and all that stuff. I've done it a couple times, but then that's when I like trying to do that. It makes me like pulsate the brake. I'm like, yeah, I don't like that too much. Damn. I mean, you want to test drive the truck? You can take it home. You can take it home for like a year or so.
I had a 14 like that already, buddy. 2014.
Well, you get a 20. Interior's updated. You can take it home. And I'll watch after this while I'm in Ohio. Damn, it's so planted. Alright guys, I had to end this POV video abruptly because the location that I was going towards, where I usually start my video or do my videos at, I received a cease and desist from that location, so I couldn't put the building or the name in the video. So it's the end of the POV video. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at LamboDEB and Photobar, and I will see you when I see you.